Hi Quizaroopers, it's time to guess the popular meme by emoji. Match all 16 memes to the correct emojis, then you're on to a winner. Consider yourself to be a meme connoisseur. Let's go. What do we think about this one? Time is of the essence. It's the Skibidi Dom Dom Yes Yes dance. Let's take a look.
Skibidi dom 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 yes 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 skibidi dip skibidi double double.
Okay, what could this be? Ah, it's that catchy Dame tu cosito song by El Chombo.
Bienvenidos a la cripta. Dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita. Ay.
Let's take a look at these emojis. What meme could they represent? We love this. It's the Coffin Dance. Let's watch them in action. This is a bit random. Don't worry, we've got a few seconds. Should have known, it's John Pork. Let's take a look at this famous meme. Right, let's think about this one, shall we? You can never be miserable around this meme. Let's take a look at the happy cat. We're loving all of these dance memes. Let's have a look at the next one. It's another fun meme. It's Baby Shark.
Baby shark do-do-do-do-do, baby shark do-do-do-do-do, baby shark.
What have we got next in store? It's the Skibidi Toilet meme. How catchy is this?
What the heck is going on?
What have we got here? Answers on a postcard. Wow, this is so fun. It's the crab rave. How many have you got correct so far, Quizaroopers? Can you get this one right too? It's Wednesday. Let's take a look at this famous dance.
Love is just a history that they may prove, and when you're gone, I'll tell them.
I'm all danced out. What's next on the table? The answer is The Rock. Let's take a look at this expressional meme. Wow, the power's in the eyes. Let's take a look at these next emojis. Did you get it right? It's 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
Brand new.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more.
Right, let's take a look at the next question, shall we? It's the Giga Chad meme. Don't you love how quirky this is? Things are heating up now. What's it going to be? It's that funky robot Megan. Let's take a look.
Because oh, we will go.
Last but not least, we love this funny meme. It's Shrek. Can you catch up with him?
Maybe she might have got lost for a quick second.
Gabby has to be 43.20.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Quizarooo for more videos like this, and we'll see you for the next one.